Y'all, Glitzglamfam, Single Day Mayo, we packed how many boxes? I don't know, because we wanted to get them to y'all before Mother's Day, okay? So, your girl needed a little drinky drink, okay? This is a little sparkling margarita. I just filmed this look, which is, you know, it's not much of a look, but you know, it's a look. It's featuring the glitter from this month, also the gloss from this month. I'm gonna spray the spray in this video. Oh my God, I just gave you guys almost all the spoilers. Ah, what an intro. I think my margarita kicked in. Okay guys, it's Glitzglamfam. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe for top-notch content like this. Okay, there's a button there. You know you want to press it, so just press it and subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Guys, okay. What is everyone doing in quarantine? Please let me know if you are living your best quarantine life. I'm trying to live my best quarantine life. Okay, I did my pink nails today. I did this pink tutorial today. I was gonna take the ponytail down, but we left the ponytail up. Now I'm drinking a little margarita, okay? Don't worry, I'm not driving. All right. So let's get into what is in our May GlitzGlamBox. If you don't know me, I am Chanelle, the CEO of GlitzGlamBox. And if you need to know anything about GlitzGlamBox, hit me up in the comments down below. Okay? And champagne. Okay? Champagne. So let's get into the GlitzGlamBox for May. Okay? Let's get into it. Guys, the theme is upside down. Bouquet of glam. So basically I wanted it to be like, you know, since Mother's Day is in May, and you give your mom a bouquet, you would be giving her a bouquet of glam because it's a bag of glam. So, and then I put a little card on here. Shout out to all the moms out there. Shout out to my mom. Hi mom. She better be watching. Get my views up. So yeah, and everyone, my mom's birthday was May 1st, so you're gonna say happy birthday Mama GlitzGlam. Okay, and here's the card. And this month I just kept it like a floral theme. You will see why. So okay, let's get into it. What am I doing? What shall we do first? Oh, I actually brought my signature pouch, which I don't like to show anyone how I do my signature pouch because, you know, company secrets. But I'm going to show you guys because you guys are the GlitzGlamFam and some of you have been with me since day one. So I'm going to show you guys, if you're not a subscriber, a GlitzGlam pouch that you get. So hold please. Okay guys, so here is one of the pouches that I did. It did get a little smushed in the car right over here. So this is my sticker that I designed, and it basically is just letting you guys know our motto. If you don't know, now you know. We don't do basic. And then, so yeah, so let's get into it. So you just want to open it up. Let me know. I know a lot of people ask like for the stickers, like they want a sticker that, you know, is not on the thing, on the pouch. And I'm like, I could put an extra sticker in if you guys, you know, really want one. So leave a comment down below if you want the stickers, like a separate sticker included, so you can just have one. And here are all the contents. So I put them, I kind of stack them up on each other. So here we go. Guys, this is really heavy. Trust me, I know, shipping. So let's get into it. So the first thing we included were 2 shadows from PINKYROSE. And if you guys know, if you're part of the GlitzGlamFam, you know that I stan PINKYROSE. I have been standing them for years, okay? So we included 2 shadows. So you either get, this is a pressed glitter, or you can get the actual shadows, which are, we have mattes and shimmers. So these happen to be like 2 lighter colors. So here's the shimmer coconut and the matte Maui. And I will put a thumbnail of all the shades that we had here. And all the glitters here. And we do still have a couple boxes left, so I'll put the link down below if you guys want to order. You never know what you're gonna get. But yeah, so these are 2 single shadows. And yeah, they're awesome. They're so cool. And yeah. So next we have the YaassGlitters lashes. These are the faux mink, 3D faux mink reusable lashes. These are very natural and almost wispy looking. I couldn't find them when I was filming this, so I just put mascara on, but these are so natural looking and they're in the style flirty. And yeah, shout out to YaassGlitters. We love them. And then the next thing we included was a Z palette from YaassGlitters. So you want to put your single shadows in here. So I'm sure you guys have single shadows floating around. So you want to secure your single shadows with glam. Okay, secure them in glam. This is straight glitter. I'm going to show you guys mine. Okay, this is my own personal one. Okay, so YaassGlitters sent this to me a while ago. They sent us like their whole line and they have so much cute stuff. It's like, okay, look at this. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Where do you think it's going? It's going nowhere. It's not going anywhere. Okay, so this is one of the PINKYROSE pressed glitters. And that's one of the Sauce Box jumbo shadows. So that'll show you how jumbo they are. We have these on our site too. We had them in a prior month. And they were available as a double the glam option this month. So yeah, this shows you how big they are. But yeah, and I think these are so cute, and we gave you guys shadows to go with them. So I was just like, we need to do the, what, really? Was it like this the whole time and no one told me? Whatever. I'm like, we need to do the single shadows and the pressed glitter, and it's gonna be so cute. And yeah, let's just do it. So so yeah, we did. And now we're going to go into the demo part of this video. So I'm gonna put in, we have the entire collection of the Rude Cosmetics berry gloss berry glosses. So I'll put in a picture of all of them. And you could have gotten one of any of the shades. I'm wearing Flirty now, and this is in the shade So Fine, So Fine, So Clean, So Fine, So Clean. Cheers. Okay, and I'll put the thumbnail in. I put the thumbnail in of all the shades that you could have gotten for the lip gloss. And this is Flirty that I'm wearing now, which is so cute. Let me get it for you guys. I'm like, where is it? Okay, here it is. It's like a pink with pink glitter, because pink is life. And there we go. Boom. So I will put this on my lips. A little more. Doesn't hurt to reapply. It smells so good. It smells like, I think, strawberries. And it's not sticky. It's perfectly, like, you know, it's like, it's sparkly and it's shiny. It's just everything. And this is the rose water from the brand Otaci. And we actually met them in LA, and they have a warehouse, and we actually went to pick them up directly from the brand, and it was so cool. And I just love, if you guys know me, like, I'm obsessed with rose water spray. I just live for rose water. So I'm gonna spray this one because it's life. So this is the and it's 100% natural, vegan, all that, organic. And I have dry skin, so I'm like, anything hydrating, I'm like, do I look more hydrated? You spray this throughout the day and it's like, girl. Hold on. Yeah. Let me get in frame. I love how people start talking when I start filming. Quarantine life. So that's everything that's included in the box this month. I did want to show you guys some additional items that you could have added onto your box. So if you want to go to our Double the Glam page, if you're an active subscriber, before your box ships, you can add things to your box for free shipping. So these are some an additional gloss set that we got, and then we have the strawberry berry juicy one, and these are shimmers, and it has 3, and they're so cute. So it has like a darker nude, a pink, and then there's like a silvery glitter color here. And then this is the berry juicy. So this one's not shimmer, even though you know I love shimmer, but we have to keep everyone happy. So yeah, so this one's a more purpley, pinky, and then also a lighter, clearer color over here. And this one does not have the shimmer in it. So these are available on the site. I can leave a link down below. We do still have a couple boxes left for anyone who wants to subscribe. I'm so happy we were able to get the boxes out before Mother's Day. I'm gonna put our giveaway winner for April right here. So giveaway winner, congratulations. You guys know what to do. You gotta find me, track me down, and claim your prize. Claim your giveaway prize. For the giveaway for this month, what I want to do is okay, scratch that. To enter the giveaway, since it's Cinco de Mayo, what I want you guys to do is, and I asked this question in a meeting at work, and it was so funny, the answers. Put your favorite drink in the comments to enter the giveaway. Bonus entries for following our social media, which is Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Yeah, so guys, till the next video, bye. Thanks for watching, and enter the giveaway.